folks, how are you all doing? We are starting with our indefinite articles in French. So let's get started. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the definite articles. The articles are les, la, les, and the L with the apostrophe. So now today we are going to learn about the a, yun, they. Okay, a, yun, they. A, yun, they. Okay. Now let's come first on a. A means masculine gender word. In the definite articles we have le, and in indefinite articles we have a. A adds before a masculine gender word. Example like a steal ho, and a leave her, a kahiye, a garçon. Okay, so a taille crayon, a taille crayon, a taille crayon. Okay, a taille crayon. Balo. Okay. Now let's come on the yun. Yun, example like yun adds before feminine gender word. Now let's see the examples. Example like yun feel. Yun feel means a girl. Yun feel. And more example like yun tomato. Tomato means tomato, that's and yun règle, a scale. Yun règle. Yun fleur means a flower. Okay, and yun gomme. Okay, now let's come on the they, that is des, they. Now indefinite articles, we are talking about they. They comes in plural. Example like they stilos, they tomatoes, they fields. Okay, they means s, we can only add s there. Example like, if you can see, in tomato only at the last we have e, so after e we have to add only s to make it they tomatoes, they fees. Okay, they fees and katabs, they katabs. And so this is all about the video. For more videos you can just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So I make a short videos for you. As you can see here, you can press on this video to talk about our previous lectures. Thanks for watching.